Woodworking is an age-old craft that combines creativity, skill, and practicality, allowing artisans to transform raw materials into beautiful and functional items. In recent years, the resurgence of interest in handmade products has created a vibrant market for unique home decor pieces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, many woodworking projects offer the perfect opportunity to create distinctive items that can enhance any living space while also being easily marketable. These projects are not only manageable in scope, but also allow for a range of creative expression, making them ideal for those looking to sell their work quickly. As you embark on your woodworking journey, you'll find that the process of designing and crafting home decor items can be both rewarding and profitable. The key lies in understanding current design trends and consumer preferences while honing your skills in woodworking techniques. From rustic charm to sleek modern aesthetics, there's a wide array of styles that can appeal to different audiences. By focusing on smaller projects, you can produce a collection of appealing items that attract buyers, turning your passion for woodworking into a successful venture. This guide will explore various ideas and strategies to help you create captivating decor pieces that not only beautify homes, but also generate income through quick sales. If you've enjoyed the insights and ideas shared in this guide on many woodworking projects for home decor, consider subscribing to stay updated with more tips, techniques, and inspiration for your woodworking journey. Your support means a lot, and by liking and sharing this content, you can help spread the word to fellow woodworking enthusiasts and aspiring artisans. Engaging with this community not only fosters creativity, but also creates a network where ideas and experiences can be exchanged. Together, we can inspire each other to explore new projects, refine our skills, and turn our passion for woodworking into a thriving endeavor. So don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button, like this post, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Woodworking is a rewarding craft that allows you to create unique items for home decor, offering numerous opportunities for quick sales. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to focus on small projects that can be completed efficiently. These projects not only help you develop your woodworking skills, but also ensure that you maintain a steady inventory of products ready for sale. The satisfaction derived from crafting useful and beautiful items can be incredibly motivating, encouraging you to explore more complex designs as you gain confidence. To begin, gather your materials thoughtfully. Reclaimed wood is an excellent choice, as it often possesses unique character and a rich history. Sourcing materials from local lumberyards or salvage shops can provide you with interesting pieces that inspire creativity. Additionally, utilizing scraps from previous projects minimizes costs and reduces waste, which is appealing to environmentally conscious customers. This approach not only helps you save money, but also infuses your work with a sense of sustainability, which can be a strong selling point. Once your materials are secured, take stock of the tools at your disposal. Basic woodworking tools, such as saws, drills, sanders, and clamps, are essential for most projects. If you're just starting out, you don't need an extensive tool set. Focusing on a few reliable tools will suffice. Learning to use these tools effectively will enhance your craftsmanship. A well-organized workspace is crucial. It allows for a smoother workflow, making your projects more efficient and enjoyable. An organized area can also spark creativity, as a clean and functional environment often leads to better focus and innovation. When brainstorming project ideas, consider the current trends in home decor. Items that emphasize natural wood finishes or minimalist designs are particularly appealing in today's market. Think about how you can create pieces that serve both functional and decorative purposes. For example, A decorative shelf can hold plants or books while enhancing the overall aesthetic of a room. By combining utility with beauty, you can attract a broader range of customers who appreciate both form and function in their home decor. As you plan your projects, consider their size and complexity. Smaller items are generally easier to produce and can be sold at lower price points, making them more accessible to a wider audience. These smaller projects are also easier to transport to craft fairs or markets, reducing logistics challenges. Additionally, creating a cohesive collection of items, such as coasters, trays, and wall art, can enhance your marketability. Customers often prefer to purchase sets that complement each other, which can increase your overall sales and encourage bulk purchases. Finishing touches play a significant role in the appeal of your products. Proper sanding, staining, and sealing are essential to achieve a polished look. Experimenting with various finishes can yield unique results and enhance the visual appeal of your items. For instance, a natural oil finish can highlight the wood grain, while a bold paint color can make a statement piece stand out. Adding personal touches, such as custom engravings or hand-painted designs, can further elevate your creations, making them feel special and justifying a higher price point in the eyes of potential buyers. Marketing your finished products is a critical aspect of achieving quick sales. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. High-quality photography is essential. Clear images that highlight the details of your craftsmanship can draw attention and drive interest. Engaging narratives about your creative process can attract followers and encourage them to support your work. Consider using Instagram or Pinterest to share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your crafting process, which can build a loyal audience eager to purchase your items. Participating in local craft fairs or markets is another effective way to reach customers. These events provide an excellent opportunity for potential buyers to see and feel the quality of your work in person, which can lead to immediate sales. Building a visually appealing booth with a cohesive display of your products is crucial. It creates a memorable shopping experience that encourages people to return. Engaging with customers face-to-face allows you to share the stories behind your creations, forging a connection that can lead to lasting relationships and repeat business. In conclusion, many woodworking projects for home decor can be both fulfilling and profitable. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, appealing designs, and effective marketing strategies, you can create beautiful items that resonate with buyers. Embrace the creative process and let your passion for woodworking guide you as you craft pieces that bring joy to customers and enhance their living spaces. The journey will not only hone your skills, but also position you successfully in the growing market of handmade decor. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the information and ideas shared on mini woodworking project for home decor both inspiring and useful. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, your engagement and interest are what drive us to create more content. We appreciate your support and encourage you to implement some of the techniques discussed, allowing your creativity to flourish. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and woodworking inspiration, and share the video with others who might find it valuable. Happy woodworking!